Hello everyone. Yesterday we have discussed about functions. What are functions? How can we declare functions? And what are the parameters, arguments, and what is the return statement? How can we call a function? And what are uses of functions? All of those things. Today we are going to go to understand what are modules and what are packages and how are they used and how can we use those to write or to utilize data science functionalities. Let's say in data science, if you want to clean the data, as I told you earlier, there are 5 stages involved whenever you are dealing with a problem. So you need to understand the problem first. You need to collect the data. You need to clean the data. You need to process the data. And then you need to apply the techniques, the feature engineering, the data transformation techniques, all of those data techniques should be applied, and then data modeling will be applied where algorithm will come into picture, and then we need to frame the algorithm in such a way that we need to train that algorithm with the data. And then once the model is ready, by training on the data, we use this model to predict on the future test cases, on unseen test cases which are not part of training. So that is how it works. Now in each and every phase we will be using modules, packages, and everything. So before that, there are separate packages and separate libraries in Python which are used for data cleaning, which are used for data visualization, which are used for data modeling. For data modeling, there is something known as scikit-learn. For there is something known as matplotlib, and there is something known as matplotlib for data visualization. And for the data cleaning, there is something known as pandas. So these are some of the libraries which are useful for cleaning the data, visualizing the data, and then transforming the data and making sure whatever we have been done till now, even using the algorithms as well. For algorithms, there are many algorithms like for classification, regression, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. There are lot of algorithms there. Even there are specific packages to use with different kind of algorithms. If we want to deal with algorithms related to classification, there is something which we can do with separate packages. If there are algorithms that are dealing only with probability data, then we have separate algorithms. And if we need to deal something with statistics, then we have separate algorithms. So each and every algorithm is different, and all those algorithms, the lucky thing is, the best thing is, in Python we don't need to write all those algorithms by scratch. If we know how to use that algorithm, if we know what is the working of that algorithm, we can simply use and call that algorithm using these modules and packages, because each and everything is written in module and packages. So today we are going to learn about those modules and those packages. Now, the first thing, what is a package and what is a module? Now, a module is nothing but a simple Python file. What actually a Python file is, where you are writing all the code, where all the functions will be written, all the statements or the logic inside the functions will be written, and then you are using those functions to solve a problem. So that is what a Python module is. It is a simple Python file, whereas you will be writing lots of functions in it and classes and variables. So we will be writing all of those things inside a Python file. That is nothing but module. So this is a structure of how a Python file is, how a module looks like, where can we put that module inside a folder. So this is a folder, a normal folder in our Windows or Mac. In that folder, we need to put a .py file. .py file represent a module. Whereas in that module, you can write number of functions.